Do you remember when you were a kid and when you really wanted something so much? It can be a toy or it can be any stationary item that you really wanted, and you kept wishing for it, that I want this and I want this and I want this. And someday, let it be a surprise visit by your uncle or your aunt, and they walk in with this beautiful gift, exactly what you wanted, and they just gift you that thing. Imagine that moment, guys. Your happiness must have reached to the rooftop, right? So, guys, this is exactly what we're going to talk in this video today. Today, we are going to talk about something which is called as manifestation. So, we humans have this quality of constantly wanting something. We want this, we want that, but guys, hold on, that's okay. That's a human nature, so just be it. That's okay, right? So we cannot go against nature, and I'm a person that I would never tell you that, hey, you know what? Change this habit. Habits don't change. If you want something, then habits automatically change towards it, right? But today, don't worry, it's not about habits. We're going to talk about manifestation. But this video, what I'm doing today, is not just about, oh, you know what, this is manifestation, or this is the way we define manifestation. Guess what, guys? Today in this video, by end of this video, I am going to help you to actually get it done. Actually, I'm going to teach you how to manifest. But what is this manifestation, right? So let's understand that first. Manifestation is something which is you wish for something so strongly, so naively, so desperately that you think, and you just keep on getting that thing, or maybe any goal or any purpose, and you want it so much that you keep thinking of it again and again and again. And this is how we manifest. And what is manifestation? Not only wishing it and you actually get it, just the same thing that you got surprised with that gift that you got, and it was just a surprise to you. So manifestation has some rules and regulations, right? You're going to say, what, Shweta, what rules? But guys, guess what? Manifestation happens only when you wish for something innocently, more naively. Manifestation doesn't allow you guys to have any negative emotion or negative feeling. You cannot manifest something that, hey, you know what, I want this promotion, and you know what, I want to show this to my friend that I can do better than him. And if you're wishing this and you're going to say, hey, you know what, I want to manifest this promotion, it's not going to happen because there has been a negative emotion behind it. Manifestation is all about wishing positively, naively, and more strongly. And that has to be something that you really wanted, guys. Okay? So let's do this, right? I'm going to get you into this process, how to actually manifest. Okay? But I just want to say something. But right now, if you are still watching this video, there has to be only two reasons, guys. First one is that you really want something out of this video, and you are saying that, hey, you know what, I think watching Shweta, whatever she's saying, is going to help me to get what I want. And I think the second reason will be you are really watching, enjoying, talking, and listening to me right now, right? So whatever the reason may be, let's get into this process to actually learn how to manifest, right? So the process is very simple, guys. I'm not going to get you into this deep meditation or something. Wherever you are right now, wherever you are sitting right now and watching this video, I want you guys to just maybe close your eyes if you can. And I hope you have your earphones in your ears, and I hope there is no noise around you, right? If you're not, pause this video and do it right now, right? So close your eyes, and I want you guys to think of something that you really want. It can be maybe a latest wish that you were thinking of, maybe from a month, 2 months, or 3 months, or it can be something that is being like, I don't know, so many years back, but that wish just got out of your mind because some other priorities came by, right? So I want you guys to hold on, close your eyes and think about it. Think about that what I really want at this moment. It can be any specific materialistic stuff, or it can be any emotional element. It can be also that, hey God, I just want some peace in my life. Anything, guys, right? Think about it and take this one moment. Okay, so I'm understanding that you guys know what you want right now. Now, think about it, that why I really want this thing. It can be the promotion, it can be, as I mentioned, it can be any materialistic thing. Why you really want it? And do you really want it? Or just because your friend has it, your neighbor has it, or maybe your sister has it, your brother has it, that's the reason you want it. Wish for it. Whatever you really want close to your heart right now, wish for it so naively, so strongly, so positively. Make it happen. Wonderful, guys. This is what I want. I want you guys to keep wishing so positively without any negative emotion and feeling around that wish, right? And manifestation is about getting it, wishing for it again and every day. Whenever you go to your bed, whenever you're getting up in the morning, it's all about getting it till you actually get it in the real life, right? Here's one thing that you can also do it. By the time right now you're actually thinking about that one particular wish, I want you guys, if your eyes are closed, if not, please close your eyes right now. I want you guys to actually imagine yourself with that wish that you really wished for. I want you to actually imagine yourself in that feeling that you wished for. Actually imagine yourself if you wish to be with any particular person in your life. It can be any particular house in your life or any particular, any materialistic thing. I want you guys to actually imagine it, feel it, that, hey, you know what? I already have it. Following these steps, guys, start manifestation today.